As we all know, the summer is here and it's getting really hot. I have my AC here, which I haven't cleaned for 1 year. I'm really interested to see how much dust did it collect over this past year in its filter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean typical home AC with outside unit. So let's start. First thing we need to do before we clean our AC is turn it off. Second thing we need to do is open up the AC cover. Each AC has its own way to open cover and take off the filters, but my model Mitsubishi Electric has it so the filter must go up and then we remove the filters. As we can already see, there is a lot of dust collected over the previous year. So we need to remove these filters and clean them in the water and dry them up. So let's remove the filters. I just take this filter and push it a little bit upwards like that, and I take it out now. If I show it close to the camera, we can see how much dust had it collect over the previous year. This is all dust and we need to clean this with water. Here's the other filter. As we can see in these openings, there is also a lot of dust, but we will clean this later. First, let's clean the filters. In third step, we are going to wash these filters with water. We will now see how much dust has it collected over the previous year. So let's begin. We can see the filter is much cleaner now. Now we only have to dry it up. Now I will leave these filters for about 1 to 2 hours outside so they dry up. In the meantime, I will be also showing you how to clean the rest of the AC. Underneath the AC, so it absorbs any water coming out. I will show you why in the minute. For cleaning out this dust collected in these holes, we will be using detergent with foam. You see, that's the foam. The manual says we can either clean it up with the water, but I also heard you can just wait 30 minutes. We can see the foam is already getting darker, which means it's absorbing all the dust and waste that is in the pores. Now we will wait 30 minutes and see what happens with the foam, and then we are going to clean the foam and also use the deodorant, which will make this AC smell very good when we use it for the first time. can see the foam has almost cleaned up the AC pores from dust. So we will take this towel or some sort of paper or absorption material and remove the remaining foam. You can see all the dust it collected. We can also turn on the AC, so we also clean this part here where the foam has collected. Here how the foam is actually being dried out of the pores. The manual does say that we must leave AC running in the full mode for some time so the water actually dries out. Before I do that, I will just turn off the AC again. And now I will use deodorant purification, which works like deodorant and freshens up the air or the hose inside the AC and makes the AC much more refreshing. The filters have dried up, so we can attach them back to the AC. We just push this filter back in and downwards, and this one also. And the AC should be clean and ready for use. So I hope you like the video. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it down in the comments and please subscribe. Bye.
Jack it up.